how to enable or disable autofill password on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to password. In password, okay, you can enter the iPhone passcode to view save password, okay? And after that, here in password, you can see the password option. Okay, you can tap the password option and now you can see the autofill password. And the autofill password is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this enable, autofill helps you sign in apps and website. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled autofill password on iPhone X.